rules. Did you revise all the rules, children?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. 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 No issues with the divisibility rules. Shall we directly start the next part of the application, LCM, HCF part, children? Any doubts regarding divisibility rules?
No, yes, ma'am. But I want to say something.
Yeah, Advika, please tell me.
Ma'am, in the quiz which we played yesterday, it was in one question. It was showing us
Yeah.
for 12. It's that for 3 and 4 it should be divisible. Then only it can be divisible by 12.
Yes, that's true. That's true, Advika.
Okay.
Yeah, because what is the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12?
3 and 4.
4, 3.
1, 3 and 4.
Okay. And suppose 12 can be expressed in different ways. 1 into 12. Yes. 2 into 6. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. And which pair you supposed? A very good question asked by Advika. Let me help that part too, children, so that we can go very quickly with the next part of the question.
Mom, I also have a doubt, Mom.
Yes, same question, ma. Same question. Do you have?
No.
Any other question?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, Vedanta. Just a minute, Vedanta. Let me complete that part so that we can.
Okay.
Advika, there are different ways of expressing 12 can be expressed 1 multiplied with 12, 2 multiplied with 6, 3 multiplied with 4. Yes, but you see the pairs 1 and 12 and 1 and 12. What is other pair? 2 and 6. One and number itself is a factor for every number. You just delete that. Don't take that, consider. Next, go to the another pair, 2 and 6. 2 and 6, any common factor except 1? Yes, we have common factor 2. Yes or no? 2 is divisible with 2 as well as 6 is also divisible with 2. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Now go with 3 and 4. What are the different? What are the things for 4 and 3? 4 and 3 can be.
Ma'am, only 1.
Yes,
only
1 as a common factor. Such a pair you can take, children. When you are taking divisibility rules for like a 12 and other numbers, like what are the other numbers, like what we are taking the other day too? Just a minute. This is class
7th, Mom. Mom, this class 7th. Yeah.
These are the, 1 minute, children. The question is very nice question asked by because this will help not only this part, other part too. It is going to help. Let me take how it is. You are going to take that part. See, children. 12 divisibility rule. Ma'am, I can see there it should be divisible by 12 can be expressed in different ways. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So 1 and number itself.
3 4s.
You just remove this is not, we are not going to consider because it is 1 and number itself is a factor to every prime number. So we are leaving that and 2 and 6. 2 and 6 except 1, there are another factor. 2 and 6 common factor is for 2 and 6. What is the common factor for 2 and 6? 2 and 6
3.
common factor is again
2.
2. Yes, very good. But 3 and 4 you can see any common factor except 1. No, only
None.
yes. That this pair we can take, children. That's why the divisibility rule, if you want to check for 12, it should be divisible by 3 as well as it should be divisible by 4. Then we can, if these two rules are true, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 12. Yes, hope you understood, children. Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, so we can do like this for every number, right, ma'am?
Vedant.
Yeah, ma'am.
What is any other doubt, ma?
Yeah, ma'am. So in the eighth divisibility rule, ma'am. So if it is like,
Suppose number 16 you can take. Just for example, I'm taking as not only 16, we can take like 14, divisibility rule of 14. We don't know. 14 can be expressed in what ways, children?
1 to 14.
Yes, Vedant.
Yeah. Ma'am, I'm not talking about divisibility rule of 14, ma'am. So about the eighth divisibility rule, ma'am.
This pair we are not going to consider. Which pair we can consider this pair? If any number is divisible by 2, 2 rule is true and 7 rule is true, then we can say that the number is also divisible by 14. Like that you need to check other divisibility rules also, children. Basic rule you know very well. Yes, Vedant.
Mama, I have doubt in that eighth divisibility rule, ma'am.
Which one, Nona? Which one?
Eighth, ma'am.
8. Divisibility rule of 8, right?
Yeah, ma'am. If suppose we have like
very good question. Divisible. Rule, yeah, 1 minute. I'm helping. D rule of 8. You can see any number. Suppose the number is 5, 6, 7, 0, 0, 0. And yes, last 3 digits you need to check. What are last 3 digits, ma?
0.
Last 3 digits?
0.
Zeros. So if last 3 digits are zeros, yes, it is divisible by. Yes, it is divisible by.
8.
Divisible by 8. And not only this condition, we have, you see, 5, 6, 7, and 16 and 8. If you see 168, last 3 digits are 168. You take this number 168. You check with 8 table. 8 2s are 16. Yes or no? 8 2s are 16. 0 remainder. 8 1s are 8. Yes, it is divisible by 8. So we can say that the complete number is also divisible by.
Ma'am, so like it takes a long time to divide, right, ma'am?
Last 3 digits should be 0, 0, 0, or it should be exactly divisible by 8. That is the rule 8.
Ma'am, so like, is there any trick we can do?
Is there any?
Is there any trick that we can do division easily, ma'am, with 3 digits?
Easily. By looking only, you can easily find out, my dear. By looking only, you can easily. Because 8 table, you know very well, right, Vedant?
Yeah.
And then you can easily find out. Only last 3 digits.
Ma'am, it is 21, ma'am. 8 2s are 16. So we can take 2. Then 8 1s are 8. So
yeah,
21.
Exactly. Directly also you can check in your mind only.
Directly cut. Yes, ma'am. Directly we can cut it.
8 1
and
0.
1 21.
Yes, so that you can easily. Yes, ma. Yes, someone is calling. Please tell.
Ma'am, this is Advika.
Ma'am,
What happened if the number would be 7, 9, 2, 6?
good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Tanvi, good evening. 7 9
6.
6.
Then 1 0.
Ma'am, actually there's a power cut here, ma'am. So I'll
Tanvi,
be leaving
today
a few
class
times,
was
ma'am.
started delayed. Today class is started very late because I was traveling, so it takes time to come home. So just now I started. Not an issue. We are just discussing about the divisibility rule of 8. The students have doubt on that.
1 0 4.
Okay, ma'am.
1 0
4.
4. You check this last 3 digits is your target. Mona.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Like it can't be happen like 16, 6 we can take.
No need. You can
For the carry. For the connector.
1s are 8. 8 3s are 24.
For that also we can do that. 8 1s are 8. We can take 1. Then transfer that 2 to 24.
Yes, you can do in your mind also, children. 8 1s are 8. Here 2 is
and 2 pass that 2 to 4, 24. Then 3, 83.
Yes. That is the shortcut method. Yes,
it will be 13, ma'am. It will be 13, ma'am, not 83.
Exactly. 13 So that the remainder should be 0 means yes, it is divisible by your number. Yes, it is divisible. Hope you understood, Advika. Advika.
Ma'am, so what?
Oh. Yes, any other doubts about divisibility rules?
Yeah, ma'am. What if like the last three numbers would be like 0?
That is
in
also
the
divisible.
hundreds
By
place,
looking only, you can say that's last 3 digits should be 0 means by looking only you can answer yes, it is divisible.
no, ma'am, like what if it is like last 3 digits, last two, sorry, when hundreds and tens place is 0 and ones place is 1, ma'am. And
this is, you see, by looking only, it is only value is 1. 1 is not
no,
divisible
like
by
before
8.
that, if it is like 5,84,001, then how can we do it, ma'am?
This is the same thing, Nana. 1 is not divisible. By looking only, you can say here too.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please take such examples. Wherever you have doubt, such examples you can take and try it. Still, any doubts, please let me know so that I can help you, children. Shall we start with the question number 5 and 6 are very important, children. By looking the question number 5 here, write the smallest digit. These are the questions happened in the examinations too, competitive examinations too. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So what is 3 rule? You know, what is rule 3?
When we add a number,
When we add up the numbers,
sum of a number
the sum should be the multiple of the number.
The sum of the digit of a number. Sum of digits of a number. Sum of digits of a number.
Number. Very good. Should be divisible by? Yes. Now coming to the least number. If suppose least number, if I'm supposed to take a least number like 1,6,7,2,4. You check in mind 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2.
16. 16 plus 4, 20.
20 will not divisible in 20 will not divisible in 3 tables, so it is not true. Go with the 2. 2 means you will get 21. Yes or no, children? One number will be added. 21 is divisible by 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the least number you can place in the blank? 2 is the least number I can place in the blank so that my number should be exactly divisible by 3. Now you can check 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. What is the sum of the digits? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15
And it will be 20, ma'am.
17
plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, we can do it easily. Is like we can make 4 plus 6, 6 2s are 12. Like that we can do.
Yes, 10 plus 7, 17. Like that also. Yes, rearrangement makes your addition part more easier. Very good. Next, what is the largest number if I suppose to place here? Suppose if I'm placing the largest number in the blank space. Suppose I'm placing a 9. 9, 6, 7, 2, 4. Now add up all the digits, children. What happened, please? 6 plus 4.
Ma'am, 6 plus 4 is 10 and
this is 19 plus 28. Yes, sir.
27. 27. Okay,
28 or 27?
28. Ma'am, 28.
28 will not divisible with 3. Yes, it is wrong. So 27 is divisible. So that what number I should place here?
28.
Yes, if I place 28, it will reduce one number here. So 27 is divisible in 3 table. So the greatest number in the blank I can place 8, 6, 7, 2, 4 is exactly divisible by 3. And the least number in the blank I can place 2 so that my number 26742 is exactly divisible in 2 table. Like that you need to check and do this question within a minute, children. Hope you understood, children. Any doubt here? This is like a trial and error method, children. This is like a trial and error method. You are trying. If it is not true, you are going with another digit. If it is true, you are stop there and you can go with the highest number. Like that, it is a trial and error method. This is the question. Okay. Now, question number 2. There are 2 questions were given here. Another question is 4, 7, 6, 5, 2. Now I'm going to ask my students. Now I'm going to call my students. Raise your hands who knows that part so that I can see and call the others. Raise your hands. I can see 2.
Divisibility rule of 3, right, ma'am?
Only 2, rule 3, and which is the greatest?
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Wait,
ma'am, just a second. There's a question here.
This is question number B, children. 4, 7.
Mama, Vedant, ma'am, can I answer?
5. Wait, Vedanta. Which least number? What is the least number I can place in the blank so that the number should be exactly divisible by?
Sir, ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, for that first one, there. Okay, nothing.
Now you go with the least number. What is the least number?
4, 5, 6, 7.
If I'm placing 1 here, check with 1. This is a 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is
22, 23, 25. Ma'am, not usable, ma'am. Not that. We can take, ma'am, we can take 11, 17, 22, 22, 24. And we can take 3, ma'am. Least.
3?
Least is 3.
Okay. First check
No,
with
ma'am. 3 is not the least.
check with
3 is not the least.
10, 17, 25. So 25 will not divisible. More 2 should be added. 26 and 3 should be added. Very good.
That's one, ma'am. 3.
Exactly correct. 3. Who gave answer? Home. Absolutely
Yes,
correct. Absolutely 3 is the least number I supposed to place. What is the largest number I should place? 4, 7, 6, 5. Largest number if I place here 9. Let me check, children. I'm not true. Let me check.
Wait, let me count. 17, 22,
10.
22, 24, 24. 6, ma'am. 6 you have to place.
6, ma'am. 6.
6, ma'am. 6 you have to place. 6.
What is the sum of the digits here?
Ma'am, it is 30, ma'am. If you place 6, it is 30.
30.
If you place
No,
6.
7 you can take, 8 you can take, 9 also you can take, right?
No, ma'am. If we take
Yeah,
that number,
No.
Ma'am, we
you
can
are
take
telling
9.
6, if I'm adding more 3 to 6, what happened? 9 only you will get, right, Anna? Please check once again.
Ma'am,
11,
yeah, 9.
16,
9.
20,
16, 5, 11, 11,
16,
9,
16, 22, 22.
11,
Ma'am, 33 is also coming, ma'am.
33 is also divisible, right, ma?
Mama, I have a doubt, ma'am. Mama, I have a doubt.
Yes, 33 is also divisible. So the greatest number is 9 should be placed. The least number 3 should be placed.
Mama, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant, where you are doubt?
Ma'am, so in the least number, ma'am. So 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2, you get 24, ma'am. So 24 is
Even,
divisible.
yes, exactly. 0 is very good question because no one is not raising the doubt. This is not the least number. Exactly.
Yeah.
Why? Because 4, 7, 6, 5, 0, 2
You get
is the
20.
least number. That's why no one is not recognized. Only one child is recognized.
Mama,
telling that it should be divisible by 3.
Yeah, so it's divisible. 4 plus 7.
4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 16,
17,
17 plus
plus 5.
Oh, yes.
ma'am.
It should be.
So we cannot consider this, Nana. This is only we can consider. Very good, Vedant. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Very good. That's why you need to think, children. Why? Because here we are placing 3. If you reduce it 0, 3 minus 3 is 0 if you place, because they're asking about least number. Least number, which is the least number? 0 is the least or 3 is the least?
0, ma'am.
Ma'am, first I added all the numbers. So
And check the answer. Ma'am, I think he
So
saw
like,
the
I
answer.
didn't add that. Like I didn't.
No. This is
in the
the
blank.
trial and error method only because 3 minus 3 we can easily recognize that, children. Once you have tried and
Ma'am, it's like,
ma'am.
who is having Rishita?
Ma'am, Soumya, ma'am.
Soumya, where is your doubt, Soumya?
Ma'am, like he told that if we add 0, then it is divisible by 3, no, ma'am. But it is coming 24, right, ma'am?
24
is
you need
divisible by
will come
3.
right, ma.
8. 3 8s are
3 8s are 24.
3 8s are 24.
24, ma'am. 3 exam.
1 minute, 1 minute. Children also takes time to adjust in their
Yes,
minds.
ma'am. And ma'am, in the largest, we can also take
More
9.
than 9 we cannot take. Only 9 we can take, right, ma?
okay, in single digit we should take.
Single digit. 0 to 9, any digit you can. 0 is the least number, 9 is the largest number.
Yeah, the 9 is the largest. We can take
So
9.
that we can, because by looking only it is divisible. Why we are not taking 3 means 0 still it is there. That's why we can.
Ma'am, it will be least only, ma'am.
That's
9
why we are
will be
taking.
the
Even
largest.
if you place 3 here, if you place 6 here, it is divisible. Why? Because 0, 3, 6, 9, these are the multiples of 3.
Ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am, so first I added all of the numbers without like I didn't wrote anything
Yeah,
in the
same thing
blank.
only, children. You will once you are able to understood, same thing only you're supposed to do. Everyone
So
can
I
do the
got
same.
So I got 24. So I said it's
Directly,
0.
very good, very good. No number place means just 0. Very good, Vedant. But very excellent because you are thinking like that. As a child, that is the very appreciable thing, children. You supposed to think with your logical points in mathematics. Thinking only makes the difference in the next thing. Coming to question number 6, you see, children, this is also very important question. This is what is the divisibility rule, children?
11.
11.
D rule 11. What is D rule 11, children?
Ma'am, the sum of the digits minus the sum of the digits at even places minus the sum of the digits at odd places.
Alternative digits sum of alternatives. Difference of sum of alternative digits. Let me write complete sentence so that you can understand.
Ma'am, first we should add them alternatively, and when you get the sum, so you
Difference
subtract them and
difference of sum of alternative digits. Sum of alternative digits. Sum of alternative digits be either either 0 or 11 or 11 multiples. 11 0 or 11 or 11 multiples. Difference of sum of alternative digits. So let me go with the question. So my number was, question number A was given here in my textbook. 92/389. Write the digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Very, very wise question, children. We don't know this. We don't know. These are the alternative digits. So let me mark this. Now I know one pair of alternative digits. Whatever the pair of alternative digits I know, this is the pair I know. Now,
2 plus 3 plus 9 and 9 plus
14.
Plus 9.
14. And here 9 plus here 8. 9 plus 8 means 16, 17.
9 plus
17 plus what number makes the difference should be either 0 or
I think the number is
or 11 multiples or 11 or 11 multiples. 0 or 11 or 11 multiple. Please think, children. Now you can think. This is the time for you. Difference between this and this you have to first look. Look 14 and 17 difference. What is 14 and 11 difference?
3 ma'am, 3.
3 plus what number makes you 11?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
9.
9. Excellent. Someone said 3 plus 9 makes you 11. Okay. Now my students came to know a small
Plus 3. Will no, ma'am.
clue was given by my children. So that let me check with 9 whether it is if I place 9 in my number. 9 in my...
8, ma'am.
ma'am, it's 8, ma'am. So when you
1 minute. When 1 minute, let me check. 8 or
Yeah,
9.
ma'am, it's 8,
ma'am 17 plus 8 is
Ma'am, 8.
Yeah, I did it.
Very good. 17 plus 8 because the 17, this sum is 17.
17,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
26,
25,
ma'am.
25, 25. Ma'am, it is 25,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
think it's 26, ma'am.
It should be
25.
what number? If you sum should be either 11. 11 should be happened here. This we don't know. This should we know this. You need to think right now.
Ma'am, 22.
Ma'am, it's 26, I think so, ma'am.
14
25. 25.
I think so, 25 only, ma'am, because when you,
17 plus what number?
ma'am, it's 8, ma'am. 8.
8, I think.
Let me take with the 8. First, let me go with the 8. You are seeing answers and telling you don't see answers together. I'm going with the 9 first. If I'm taking here 9, 17 plus 9 makes what is the value?
Ma'am, it makes 3, 6, 30, it's 26.
26 minus 14 is 12. It's not 11. Yes or no?
Ma'am, it's 25 only, ma'am.
So that is why this is wrong. We cannot take this pair. Now go with 8.
8, ma'am. We can take
Now
8.
go with 8. 17 plus 8.
25. 25 minus 11
Difference of these
equal to 11.
11. Very good. Now which
Yeah.
number I can place here? My unknown number was 92/389.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vedika. Yes, Advita.
Ma'am, what means the divisibility rules is somewhat like this 6. Like, if it's divisible by 2 and 3, then only it's divisible by 6.
No, 11 rule. 11. Our question is 11 rule, right?
Yes, ma'am. Divisibility rule of 11.
Our question is, what is the question? Where is the question? Let me go with the C here. This is our question, because it's the question. Divisible by 11.
So first it should be alternative, like the number is somewhat like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 3, 5 it should be, and 2, 4, 6. Then we should add both of them and we should subtract if it's coming same. Same 0, 11 or 11's multiple, then it's divisible by 11.
Very good. Like based on that condition, we are thinking what number if I am placing here, my alternative sum should be either here 17 I got, but I don't know one more digit. But
Ma'am, I got the
alternative
next answer
digit I
also,
got
ma'am.
is 14. So if I place here what number, my sum should be equal to 11.
Ma'am, I got the sum, I think. Sorry, the answer, I think.
B bit.
Yeah, ma'am, I think so.
B bit also we can try same way, children. Same way. What is the number? 8 slash
It is 6, ma'am.
9484.
It should be 6, ma'am.
8 slash 9484. Now you
Ma'am, I
see
think so. It's 3 or 6, ma'am. 3 or 6.
alternative digits you can check. You can check alternative digits. 8 plus 8, 16, 24, 25. Yes, this is one pair of alternative digits. Sum should be 25. 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 25. Another
Ma'am, it should be 8 plus question
plus
mark.
question mark. I don't know one digit. So now this difference should be either 0 or it should be 11 or 11 multiples.
Ma'am, first try 3, ma'am. 3.
Ma'am, it is 17, ma'am. 25 minus
17.
Ma'am, let's first try 3,
17 I
ma'am.
am not supposed to take. Why? Because 2-digit number I suppose only 1-digit number I can use here.
Ma'am, ma'am, 3 plus 18, ma'am.
3 plus 8.
18.
If I take
8,
3 plus 8, what happened, Nana? 3 plus 8?
Ma'am, 3.
25 minus 11.
11. So 25 minus 11 makes you 14. 14 will not come in 11 table. So it is not true.
Ma'am, 6.
So if
Ma'am,
if I'm taking 6 here, 6 plus 8, it's 14. Very good. Yes, the difference should be 11. So yes, we can take 6 on this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, like that you need to think a lot, children. That's why it takes time to. Because this type of questions, please practice regularly, children. A lot of thinking will be happen. These varieties of questions,
Quiz.
more important part too. Next exercise, that's about your 3.3 children.
Four.
There was one more interesting exercise. You have common factors, common multiples in that which is the least common LCM. What is the least common multiple and which is the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor? There are many names for. We will see that part, children, right now. 3. Okay. Today I'm not going to take because I have another class at 6:15. So any doubts regarding to divisibility rules, children?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no doubt.
Shall we go with some part of exercise in that questions because we are the 1 minute. Let me see if any other questions are having. You can.
Ma'am, quiz.
No quiz today, children. No quiz today. Tomorrow we will play, Nana.
Ma'am, tomorrow we. Oh, tomorrow also.
Tomorrow means next class.
Yeah.
You see, children, the type of variety of question. Yeah. Now you see the smallest digit make the number divisible by 4. Now this question is your target, children. You see the target question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Yeah, come on, please think about question number 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is 1, ma'am. I think 12. Okay, smallest. Smallest is 0, 0, 0.
It's one. It's one.
Ma'am, it's 1, ma'am. It is 12. Last 2 digits. 0.
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1, ma'am. Ma'am, because 12 is divisible
Ma'am,
by
12, ma'am.
14.
4 3s are, but it is 1, ma'am. D.
Divisible, ma'am.
Very good, very good. 1 is the
One.
blank. Very good, very good,
Yes.
Nana. 1. Because
Ma'am, last 2 digits are divisible by 4.
very good. Last
12, ma'am.
it's
4 3s are. 4 3s.
like that you can see, children. There is another question, 13th question also. Please.
Ma'am, in the option, if there is ma'am, if the ma'am in the options, if there is no 1 and if there is 3, ma'am, then we can keep 3 also, right, ma'am? If we keep 3 also, it will come right.
There are sometimes they forget about to give 1 and they are giving 3 means you
Then
can
we can
choose.
keep any digit, right,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, Nana, you can choose. Now question number 13, please, Nana. Question number 13.
13.
6, 5, 3 / 4 and 7 divisible by 11 or not, you need to check. Question is least value. The condition also you need to check, Nana. Least value or greatest value, that should be checked. Come on, now you please check your alternative digits. What are your alternative digits?
Ma'am, 606 divided by
Plus 3 plus 4. It's 13. Now another pair of alternative digits. 5 plus, I don't know this number, plus 7. Now 5 plus 7 and 5 plus 7, 12.
Yes, ma'am.
12 plus question mark. Now if I place 1 here, it becomes 13. 13 minus 13?
0, ma'am, it will be
Very good. So that is the unknown number, least number.
means it is 1, I think.
1. Very good.
Ma'am, it is 0, ma'am.
That's
0 divisible by 11. So it
right,
is
Nana.
0.
Right. That's all for the day, Nana. I will post today's homework.
Ma'am, but only 35 minutes over.
Yeah, today the other compensation will be taken in some other day, children. That's all for the day, children. Because I gave another message in the class 8 group. I will take.
Okay, ma'am, you can send the homework. I will do.
Okay, Nana. I'm sending.
Ma'am, I will send you, ma'am, now onwards homework.
Okay.
Ma'am, I uploaded it in WhatsApp, ma'am. Ma'am, I uploaded it in WhatsApp, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day to you all.